Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start grammar lesson number 4 articles. Read the following poem and fill in the missing words. An apple is a red fruit. It tastes crisp and sweet. They say it keeps the doctor away. It's better than veggies and meat. The grape is one in a bunch of them. A round bottle of heaven. Every time I get my hand on some, I like to grab 6 or 7. Fruits are desserts from nature. They keep you fit and healthy. If every dish tasted like them, all the kids would be so happy. Now, children, did you notice that the words you fill in were a, an, or the? These are known as articles. Now this you have to learn by heart that articles are of two types. One is the definite and the second one is indefinite. The definite is the and indefinite are a and an. Usage of the. The definite article the is used when we have already spoken about a person or thing. For example, I saw a tree in the garden. The tree had lost all its leaves. In the second sentence, we are referring to the tree which we have already spoken about. Now, the second usage is we are speaking about a specific person, thing, or place. For example, I want to meet the student who knows Spanish. I have brought the book written by Charles Dickens. Now in the above two examples, we use the before a person, place or thing that we are specifically referring to. And next one, when we are speaking about the famous building, ship, plane, train or anything that is unique or of one of its kind. For example, I visited the Qutub Minar when I went to Delhi. Now Qutub Minar is only one in the whole world. Therefore, it is referred the Qutub Minar. The Prime Minister will visit the city. Now we have only one Prime Minister in India. Therefore, it is the Prime Minister. The Statue of Liberty can be found in the USA. Again here, the Statue of Liberty is only one. And the last one, the Boeing 747 is a huge plane. This also, the plane 747 is one of its kind. Usage of a and an. The indefinite articles a and an are used when we are using singular countable noun. For example, a man, an umbrella, a lorry. Secondly, when we are referring to a person, place or thing for the first time. For example, an artist painted this wall. There is a statue in front of the palace. An orange is known as a citric fruit. So now when to write a or an? For that we have to know what are vowels. Now a, e, I, o, u are vowels and all other letters of the alphabets are known as consonants. The indefinite article a is used before all the words that begins with consonants. For example, a rat, a log, a colorful picture, a big truck. Exception an is used before silent h, like an hour game, an honest man. The indefinite article an is used before all words that begins with vowels. Now vowels are a, e, I, o, u, like an apricot, an elephant, an Irish, an omelette, an uproar. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The bear and the bee, an Aesop fable. A bear came across a log near an apple tree where a swarm of bees had nested to make their honey. As he snooped around, a single little bee flew out of the log to protect the swarm. The bee knew the bear would get angry if it were disturbed and a single bee is no match for an angry bear. But afraid that the bear would eat all the honey, the little bee stung him sharply on the nose and flew back into the log. The bear flew into an angry rage. He swatted at the log with his big claws, determined to destroy the nest of the bees inside. This only alerted the bees, and quickly as a wink, the entire swarm of bees flew out of the log and began to sting the bear from head to heel. The bear saved himself by running and diving into the nearby pond. Now, this was the story of Bear and Bee. I hope, dear children, you have understood the article. I will give you the PDF. Thank you.